Right, just want to give you a quick look at the BoatHoist Barra range of trailers. We've got two options. This one here is our standard Barra trailer, 4.1 long, 1.5 wide, weighs 38 kilos, and it's the most common trailer we sell. Second option we've got is our BoatHoist Big Barra trailer. Now that's a substantially bigger trailer. It's 4.3 long, it's 1.7 wide, weighs 60 kilos. The big difference with this one is it comes with a floating spring suspension, and I'll give you a quick look at that. So it's a good option for the bigger boats, and the Big Barra trailer can also be used as a full-time trailer. It does pack up into smaller components for transport, not as small as our Barra trailer, but you can still pack it up and you can still take it with you. So that's it, the BoatHoist Big Barra trailer and the BoatHoist Standard Barra trailer.